August 21st. Here's what moved. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 holds number 1 on OpenRouter. 7 cents per million tokens. High 3 in second at 13 cents. Ollama downloads down 74% this week. PostHog is trending on GitHub. 60 stars today. vllm-openai on Docker, up 14%. Nemotron 3.5 Lightning dropped 58 ranks on OpenRouter this week. Nemotron 3.5 Lightning Free climbed 1 ranks from 19th to 18th. GitHub.copilot on vscode, up 12%. At Anthropic AI/SDK on NPM, up 51%. New research, ConceptGuard, benchmarking context-sensitive unlearning in large language models. llamaindex on NPM, downloads up 50%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. gawk.dev.